it's KSB and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig unboxing. Stay tuned to the very end and I have a special surprise for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into unboxing the wig. So I got this wig on Amazon and this is the packaging. And this is by Vigorous. This is their, this is their long, wavy synthetic wig, and the length is 24 inches, and it's in the color Natural Black. So this is the packaging again. Open it. So in the package came some lashes and also 2 wig caps, but I already opened one. And here is the wig. Super soft, has a natural luster to it, and it's pretty long. It's 24 inches, but it looks a little longer to me. And the parting space is pretty nice. It's also a right part. And they have 2 combs, hope you guys can see, in the front and 1 in the back. And I'm really loving this texture because it's not too curly and it's not quite straight. It's like a perfect body wave loose curl. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so I have my natural hair out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair down really quickly so that I can try on the wig. And then I'll probably use a wig cap as well, just to secure everything and make sure it's as flat as possible. Alright, so I'm all braided down and I'm going to put on my wig cap. Okay, so I'm probably gonna go in with a little bit of concealer into my parting. But other than that, everything looks great. I'm loving how effortless these curls look. And it's super soft and manageable. You can like just put this wig on and not have to worry about any additional styling if you don't choose to do that. Alright, so I'm going to do those things just to the parting space, and I will be right back. I am back from adding my concealer to the parting space. I added a little bit of concealer there, and also the tiniest bit of baby hair, which you don't really need. That's just optional. I just decided to do it. I think this wig is super cute, super manageable, and you guys, I am just like loving the length and the curl pattern as well. The cap is also super comfortable. I didn't even put the combs into my hair or anything like that. I didn't adjust it or anything, and it's still super secure and comfortable. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking around to the end. I will be hosting a 1K giveaway where you can win a wig of your very own, and also I will be leaving all of the information for the wig down in the description box. So make sure that you guys subscribe and also hit the notification bell to know when I upload a new video.